guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the pumpkin cheesecake shake. So I'm going to start with my ice and water, and I'm doing about 20 ounces of ice and water combined. I'm going to add about 2 to 3 squirts of the pumpkin pie sugar-free syrup. I'm going to use our pumpkin spice healthy meal, and I'm doing 2 scoops. And I'm doing 2 scoops of our vanilla protein drink mix. I'm adding some cheesecake pudding mix, some butter extract, and some cinnamon. I'm going to blend that up. Then I'm going to sprinkle some crushed up graham cracker in the bottom of the cup. I'm putting some sugar-free caramel around the edges. And I'm going to pour the shake in. I'm going to top it with some whipped cream and some cinnamon. Some more caramel, and that's it. That's how you make the pumpkin cheesecake shake. Thanks for watching.